Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, good morning. Again I'm here. Today I'm going to give you a brief about a program. You can say sub-program under Express Entry, that is PNP program, Provincial Nomination Program of Saskatchewan, means SINP, Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. So if you are thinking to apply for Canada PR through Saskatchewan, then you must know some of the important things before apply. You need to know about complete process before applying any kind of process. Okay, so I'm going to give you a brief about the same. First thing is, your occupation must be in demand in Saskatchewan if you are applying for SINP, that is Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. So if I talk about before there was approximately 18 to 19 occupations were in demand, but as of now, like before, you can say at the end of the 2019 they have expanded their list, their occupation in demand list, and now more than 200 occupations are in demand as of now. So if you want to apply for Saskatchewan, this is the very great thing. If your occupation was not in demand before but now is in demand, but apart from that, there is other factors as well which you need to think about and which can be considered. After you will see your occupation in demand, then next thing you need to check it out whether you are eligible for that particular program according to their point based system or not. So Saskatchewan is having approximately like you can say eligibility criteria of 60 points out of 100. If you are availing that 60 points, then you are eligible to apply for Saskatchewan. So that points is actually given on the basis of your particular individual thing only, for your particular thing only, that is you can say, for example, your age, your experience, your qualification and your language skills. Okay, and other factors as well, like your adaptability and all. So if I talk about any other things, then if you are, suppose you have checked it out your occupation in demand list, then you have checked it out your points as well and you are completely eligible. But how you have checked your experience part, that is also a main concern. Nobody knows actually. This is the main and important factor. That is the reason I'm here going to explain you briefly about this experience part. Actually, some occupation needs license exam, if you're applying for Saskatchewan. So whenever you will check your occupation in demand list, there will be mention in Saskatchewan government website that yes, some occupation needs a license exam. So if your occupation needs license exam, then you need to apply for that, and which cost extra charges for that license, and you need to apply for that. And whenever you will positively get that, after getting invitation, if government will say you that you need to apply for that license exam, it doesn't mean that after getting invitation you will get the visa only, because after getting that license only, all the things will be depends, and all the things will be depend upon the documents as well, which you will provide later on. Okay, so this is the very important thing. Plus also in the experience part, suppose you are having degree in commerce and you are accountant. Okay, I'm giving an example so that you can able to understand it better. So suppose you are an accountant, so your experience must be in the same field which is your primary education. Like if you are having, you know, that bachelor of commerce degree, so you must have your all the experience. Suppose you are having 2 years of experience in administration and 6 years of experience in accounts, so your only 6 years experience will be get counted. You will not get any point for that 2 years administrative profile. So this is the very important part, that your occupation and your education must be matched. So accordingly you can able to calculate your score. Otherwise, after getting invitation only, you will get rejection as well if you will not provide that proof of your experience. This is the very crucial part you need to take care of. Okay, so I think I have covered it all the things about Saskatchewan. So if you need any more information regarding the same, you can able to directly comment me in comment section. I'll provide you with the brief explanation, because nobody can able to tell you in briefly like how you need to apply and what you need to check it out. So before you apply, I'm always saying this: you must check complete and deep knowledge regarding that particular program which you are actually applying. Okay, so hope this information is actually will help you out, and for now, just take care of yourself in this lockdown period. And if you like my video, kindly like my video and subscribe my channel. You can share this knowledge as well with your friends. For as of now, just adab, Allah Hafiz, and Sastri Akal. Take care.